follow this rule. In our classes in moral science, religion, how they teach us this. When they teach us all of this, they should also know how to follow unity and diversity. So they should give us the right of wearing hijab inside class. I mean, inside the college.
When they started this kind of rules?
From this year.
From this year?
Yes.
Earlier they were allowing you people to wear the hijab.
Yeah, we were allowed, and not a big issue was made out of it.
Whether hijab is not allowed or scarf is not allowed.
Scarf.
Your name?
Fatima. To ask for our right of our scarf. We are in a democratic nation. In India, this is our right. The hijab is our right. So Agnes College can't do anything to remove that right from us. So now, we the students of St. Agnes College will boycott all our classes till we get this right.
What's your name?
Fatima. Agnes College